Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I bought more Christmas stuff. Yeah, that was the pause. That was the moment of silence to say that I bought another Christmas thing. But yeah, I already told you guys I'm buying Christmas stuff, so I'm not even we're gonna get into it, all right? I saw it and oh my gosh, right? If you're into like, like figurines and stuff like this, I am. Quick story. When I was a kid, my dad, my sister and I, we used to do these paint cars, and not real cars, but the cars that you put together and you paint them and you put the wheels on, and we used to do that all the time when we were kids, and we just have model cars sitting around, which was kind of cool. So yeah, I'm into that type of stuff, but this was so cool. I was like, okay, I need to see, and I need to see about this. Yeah, I need to see about it. So yeah. So let's talk about it, okay? What is it? It is by Cody, Foster and Company, and it's a red townhouse Christmas decoration. It retails for $98, and it is a glittered townhouse crafted of paper and fiber. It is 9 inches wide, depth 9 inches, and 16 inches tall. And these come in different colors, different styles, different types, and you can just make your own little kind of city, which is kind of cool. And yeah, look at the detail though. But yes, this is all paper type of stuff. Has a dog, a tree. These little crystal things, they do fall off a bit. So like it's on me right now. And the snow, and it's just cute. Yeah. It makes you kind of want to do a city of these, and I don't know where I'm gonna put it, and I'm probably thinking of getting another one, but yeah, they're big. I don't know where I'm going to put this, but maybe I'll put it in the kitchen or something, because my Santa Claus is on the table. I don't know, but the snow, and then I thought maybe putting some candles around it while it's dark so that it kind of lights up the house. But they do have ones, I believe, that have lights or stuff like that. It's just pretty cool. It's just really cool. Yeah. Look, I'm in the Christmas spirit. I told you I'm not going to apologize for it again, but I'm sorry. Yes, this is a quick Christmas video of this Cody Foster and Company townhome that I really love. So it was really quick. Thank you guys for coming on my Christmas stuff, because I love Christmas. Yeah. So yes, I hope you guys have an amazing Sunday. I hope you enjoy your week, and yeah, I want to say Merry Christmas, but it's not Christmas yet. But I'm still going to do it. Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for Christmas. So, yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. That was quick, right? How cute is that?